when the world was worried about the lockdowns, there is a tribe and a sect of people who celebrate lockdown. In their tribe, lockdown is one of the festivals.
Celebrated lockdown. Who are they?
And the tribe is also called as Bengalis.
Why do they celebrate lockdown?
Because they can not only sleep after lunch, but also sleep before lunch.
Yeah, man, they sleep after lunch every day. Oh, I've heard about that. I've witnessed it. Yeah, man. They are blessed.
During lockdown, when everybody was busy in mopping, cleaning, and cooking, Bengalis were also busy in sleeping and eating.
How do they do both? Sleeping and eating.
I'll tell you. They dream about food while sleeping and they feel sleepy while eating. And to your question, how they prioritize? See, once they wake up, that is, they obviously wake up while after sleeping. So they first start eating. So the schedules run something like this: sleeping, eating, eating, sleeping, sleeping, eating, sleeping, eating, eating, sleeping, sleeping. That is the schedule of Bengali.
During this lockdown, the whole world was worried about essentials such as groceries, whether hospitals will be open, medical shops will be open, all those things. Bengalis were not worried about these essentials. They were not worried about even the medical supplies. They were worried about whether the sweet shops will be open or not. That is their essential.
Definitely. For Rasgulla, no? Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
They die for it, man. They die for it.
And there is one part of the East Indian people who are Odia. They were not worried about this also. They were not worried about groceries, sweets, medical, nothing. Because they are also foodies. Because they have their favorite food, which is made of just rice and water, which is called pakal.
Only two? Seriously?
Rice and water. And when whole India was debating whether the liquor shop should be opened or door delivered, anyway they have to sell, that's how they generate revenue. These guys were not worried about that also. They were not worried about whether the liquor shop should be opened or not. Don't think they don't drink. They are also drunkards like whole Indians. But they know a magic to turn this pakal into handia, which is itself a liquor.
Let me guess. How they convert this handia into liquor, that is pakal into handia, is by doing nothing as usual.
They don't do anything, but they get everything in the world.
There are cautious people, and cautious people wanted to be safe and are using masks to cover their mouths. But there is also a sect which is also called as the extra cautious people, which is a synonym for Bengali, wanted to be extra safe and want to have an extra protection, and hence they are using monkey caps.
What?
So that they can cover their mouth, nose, head, the entire head. If that monkey cap was little bigger, they could have covered their entire body in it.
Seriously, monkey caps. I don't know why they are very fond of monkey caps. They use monkey cap a lot. You can't even argue with them. Why are you using monkey caps often? They are intelligent. They will come up with intelligent answers like humans evolved from monkeys. Vaccines are tested on monkeys. Tomorrow coronavirus vaccine also will be tested in monkey. That's why we are using monkey caps. You can't argue with an East guy. If you want to try,
True.
try Arnab Goswami. The nation wants to know.
Ever. ever I tried debating with Arnab Goswami? No, no, no.